Okay, so are you ready to dive into some serious wisdom?
I am. Let's go.
All right, we're going to be looking at Proverbs 10-point new tool today.
Okay.
And it's all about love and forgiveness.
Mm,
We're working with a devotional entry that really unpacks this verse.
right.
And the verse says, hatred stirs up conflict, but love covers over all wrongs.
Ooh, that's a good one.
I know, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty deep. I mean, at first glance, you might think love and forgiveness. That's a little cliche, but stick with us.
Oh, yeah, there's so much to unpack here, especially for people of faith.
Yeah, and I think what's so interesting is how this proverb, it's not just about this warm, fuzzy feeling.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
really gets into how we deal with conflict, how we build strong relationships.
absolutely.
And the devotional, it really zeroes in on this phrase, love covers over all wrongs.
Right.
What does that even mean?
Yeah.
Is it just ignoring bad behavior?
Right.
Like pretending stuff didn't happen?
Oh, no, not at all.
So how do we understand this?
Well, think of it this way. Remember those old cameras with the lens cap?
Yeah.
Covering over wrongs is kind of like choosing to put that lens cap on resentment.
Okay.
You acknowledge the hurt, you don't deny it happened,
Right.
but you choose not to focus on it all the time.
That's a great analogy.
Oh, big.
You know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
like you're choosing to shift your focus to love and understanding.
Exactly.
And that
Exactly.
makes so much sense when you think about it.
Yeah.
Because holding on to all that anger and resentment,
Yeah.
it can really weigh us down.
Oh, absolutely.
And the devotional really drives this point home, with the takeaway about extending forgiveness,
Yeah.
even when it's hard. I don't know if you've ever experienced this, but have you noticed like how sometimes holding on to hurt,
Oh, yeah.
it actually hurts you more?
It really does. It's like you're carrying around a backpack full of rocks.
Uh,
Every resentment, every grudge, it's just another rock in that backpack.
right.
It weighs you down, makes it hard to move forward.
Yeah.
It can really impact you physically, and your mental health too.
Sure, it's true.
But forgiveness, it's like setting down that heavy backpack. Doesn't mean the rocks didn't exist.
Right.
But you're choosing to not carry all that baggage anymore.
And it's so powerful because the devotional even provides this beautiful prayer for this.
Well, yeah.
It says, Lord, let your love work through me to heal and restore broken relationships.
That's beautiful.
It really is. It's acknowledging that sometimes we need help,
We do.
to let go of the anger and choose love.
We really do.
Absolutely. What do you think about that?
Well, and I think the thing is, forgiveness isn't just a one-time thing.
Right. It's a process.
It's a journey. It takes time.
Yeah.
There might be times you stumble, you want to pick up that backpack again.
Right.
But it's about continuing to choose love, to let go, to let healing happen.
And that's what's so amazing about this proverb and this devotional. I mean, it really shows us how love has this power to heal, right?
Mm-hmm.
And forgiveness is that bridge.
It is.
But you know what I think is so interesting
What's that?
is this whole proverb, it focuses on personal relationships,
Right.
right? Like one-on-one.
Yeah, yeah.
But what if we look at the bigger picture? How might this idea of love covering wrongs apply to like conflicts in families,
Oh, that's interesting.
communities, even on like a national or global scale?
Oh, wow.
Because could choosing understanding and forgiveness, could that be the key to healing some of those really deep wounds?
That's something to think about.
It really is. It's something to think about as we continue to reflect on this proverb and this incredible message of love and forgiveness.
Powerful stuff.
It is, really is. Thanks for diving deep with us today.
My pleasure.
And we hope you'll keep reflecting on this timeless wisdom.
Yeah. See you next time.
See